Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantor Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 2 English textbook, workbook and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantor Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from unit 7, caterpillars, and our topic is reciting poem. SLOs of this lesson are: read and recite short poems or nursery rhymes with actions, copy rhyming words from a poem, write more rhyming words. Students, we are going to read this short poem about caterpillars. It's a very interesting and a fun poem. Let's read it. You might have seen these caterpillars before. They are tiny little creatures, insects we call them. See how beautiful they are. They eat leaves. They live in mud or in plants. They have many feet. Look here. So let's start from here. Wiggling, woggling up and down, painted as bright as a circus clown. Wiggling, woggling means twisting, घूमना. Like they twist करते हैं ये लोग ऊपर और नीचे. Painted as bright as a circus clown. बिल्कुल clown कहते हैं जोकर को, जो कि सर्कस में होता है, और बिल्कुल ये ऐसे कलरफुल हैं जैसे कि कोई सर्कस में क्लाउन या जोकर होता है. इस तरह ब्राइटली पेंटेड है. क्लिंगिंग टू ट्विग्स विथ टाइनी फीट, ऑलवेज लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग टू ईट. क्लिंगिंग मीन्स कहते हैं चिपकने को, स्टिकिंग. टू ट्विग्स, ट्विग्स मीन्स लकड़ी या जो स्मॉल ब्रांचेस होती हैं उनको कहते हैं टाइनी. छोटे छोटे पाँव उनके चिपके हुए होते हैं लकड़ी से, ब्रांचेस से, और वो हर वक्त कुछ न कुछ खाने के लिए ढूंढ रहे होते हैं. Some have bristles, some have spots. Bristles किसी के सख्त बाल होते हैं तो किसी के ऊपर spots होते हैं. See, the one with the spots and the bristle hairs. Some have patches like polka dots. Polka dots होते हैं. See the dots here. These are called polka dots. They are brown and yellow, green and blue, but mostly green like the leaves they chew. ये ब्राउन कलर, येलो, ग्रीन और ब्लू कलर के होते हैं, लेकिन मोस्टली ये क्या होते हैं, ग्रीन कलर के होते हैं. See the green caterpillars here because ये लीव्स खाते हैं, पत्ते खाते हैं. chew कहते हैं चबाने को. So this was a fun poem about the caterpillars. They have tiny feet. They stick their feet with the branches. इनके पाँव चिपके हुए होते हैं और ये कलरफुल होते हैं और ट्विस्ट करते हैं, हिलते रहते हैं ऊपर और नीचे. Some have polka dots, some have stiff hairs, and some are brown, yellow, green and blue, but mostly they are green because they chew or they eat leaves. तो बच्चों ये थी पोएम कैटरपिलर्स के बारे में. इट वॉज अ फन पोएम. Page number 35, this is your word bank. You can find the meaning of the difficult word here. And question number 1 here, make sentences of the following words in your notebook. आपने इन words के sentences बनाने अपनी notebook में. You can find the meaning of this word from here, your word bank. Question number 2 here, choose the correct word from these brackets. The caterpillars looks like what? Clowns or butterflies? Yeah, clowns. Second one, they are clinging to twigs with their what? Feet or hands? Yes, with their tiny feet. See, they are looking for something to eat or drink. Yeah, eat. See, caterpillars eat mostly flowers or leaves. Leaves. E is the most usual color of caterpillars. What is the most usual color of caterpillars which is mentioned in the poem? Yep, green. Question number 3. Answer the following question. In what way are some caterpillars like circus clown? Caterpillars को circus clown क्यों कहा गया है? Because they have bright colors. They are in bright colors. Yellow, green, blue, brown. That's why they are called circus clown. B. Or caterpillars smooth to touch? क्या caterpillars नरम होते हैं, स्मूथ होते हैं जब हम इनको टच करते हैं? This is your personal opinion. See, what different sort of patterns do caterpillars have on their bodies? Different patterns क्या होते हैं उनकी bodies पे? Some have stiff hairs. सख्त बाल होते हैं किसी के क्या होते हैं? Polka dots. Some have patches. Patches means pieces or spot. So these are the different patterns caterpillars have on their body. Page number 36. Question D. Is it easier to spot a green or a red caterpillar on a green leaf? क्या ये easy होगा कि green color का caterpillar आप ढूंढ सके green leaf पे? E. What is the most common color of the caterpillars? Common color caterpillars का क्या है? Yes, we have discussed it. Green. Now question 4. Find a word in the poem that rhyme words. I will tell you what are the rhyming words first. Now dear students, I have told you what are the rhyming words. Now let's do it. What is the rhyming word of down? Which word sounds the same? Go to your poem about caterpillars. Yes, it's clown. The sound of own is the same. Down and the clown, they sounds the same. Feet, yeah, eat. Spots, dots. Blue, chew. तो ये दोनों क्या है? राइमिंग पेयर्स हैं. ये 4 राइमिंग पेयर्स हैं हमारे पास और ये हमारी पोइम में ही है. Now we will discuss what are rhyming words. Words that rhyme have the same last sound. जिन words का same sound होता है लास्ट में उसको rhyming words कहते हैं. जैसे कि bat, cat, side and hide, hit and sit. They have the same rhyming sound. A word that has the same last sound as another word. A rhyme is a repetition of the similar sound or the same sound in 2 or more words, most often in the final syllables of line in poems or songs, like fight, light. Final syllable, like syllable आपका वो होता है the group of 2 or 3 letters. अब इन दोनों का sound क्या है? सेम है. Fight, light. The sound of art is the same. Round, sound. The sound of aunt is the same. These are the rhyming words. ये mostly आपके poems या songs में होते हैं. This is your home task from workbook. Find the answer of the following question with the help of your teacher. You have to write the answer of this question. This is from your poem which we have just read. Now, what do the caterpillars do? Caterpillars क्या करते हैं? With which body part do they cling to twigs? कौन से body part से ये लोग twigs branches से चिपक जाते हैं? For which thing do the caterpillar always look for? किस चीज की हमेशा तलाश में रहते हैं caterpillars? Fourth one, which thing do the caterpillars chew on? और कौन सी चीज जो है वो खाते हैं? कौन सी चीज वो चबाते हैं caterpillars? It's very easy. It's all in your poem. I have also told you in detail. Till next lesson, Allah Hafiz and thank you.